Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Immersion Blender Container is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen tools for achieving perfectly smooth soups, sauces, and dips, saving you time and effort in food preparation. In this video, we will explore the top-rated Immersion Blender containers on the market, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. PowerLix Handheld Milk Frother. This handy little frother makes light work of creating creamy milk froth. Perfect for adding that cafe touch to your morning coffee. It's battery operated, so you can froth your milk anywhere, anytime. No cords or outlets needed. Made with high-quality stainless steel and a powerful motor, it's built to last. The dual-spring whisk delivers extra creamy results. Its sleek design looks great in any kitchen. And it's not just for coffee, use it for milkshakes, cocktails, and more. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a lifetime warranty and a free bonus ebook. Order yours today. What we like? It's small and cordless, perfect for any kitchen. If you need quick, creamy froth for your coffee, this is the one for you. Its powerful motor ensures you get that perfect texture in seconds, making your morning routine a breeze. What people say? It also froths the cream and coffee at the same time. It's very quiet. My last frother was very loud and didn't have the strength. If it was submerged in full liquid, you had to have very little in the glass. This can wear a whole cup, so I'm pleased. It has a pressure-sensitive button on the top, so the harder you press, the faster it goes. It's a really intuitive and customizable design. It also comes with a stand, which is perfect for storing it right on the counter without taking up much space or looking messy. It works great and froths milk quickly and efficiently. Number 4. Fullstar Immersion Blender. It's a 500-watt handheld blender that quickly blends, mixes, purees, and whips. Say goodbye to lumps and hello to delicious, healthy meals. This amazing blender comes with 3 attachments, a blending arm, a whisk, and a frother. It's perfect for making everything from smoothies to sauces. The included silicone pan protector prevents scratches on your pots and pans while you blend. It's a thoughtful addition for protecting your cookware. With 9 speeds and a turbo setting, you have complete control over the blending process. It's easy to use, just plug it in, select your speed, and blend. Everything you need is included. Simply attach the desired tool, plug it in, and start creating your culinary masterpieces. It makes a fantastic gift for home cooks of all skill levels. With this blender, anyone can easily create delicious soups, sauces, and smoothies. What we like? This blender is incredibly versatile with multiple attachments. If you're looking for a multifunctional appliance for various culinary tasks, this is a great choice. 9 speed settings give you ultimate control over your blending, from delicate purees to thick smoothies. What people say? It's easy to use, does a great job, and is very easy to clean. The speed settings are great, and everything is perfect. This blender has many features that can often be found on pricier models: variable speeds, turbo speed for extra power, silicone scratch guard, as well as whisk and milk frother accessories. It does perform its main tasks admirably. Number 3. GE Immersion Blender. It's a high-performance immersion blender. It easily blends smoothies, shakes, sauces, and purees with 500 watts of power. This versatile hand blender has 2 speeds. It's simple to clean and use, making blending food and drinks easy. It's designed for easy one-handed operation. You can easily add ingredients while blending. It comes with stainless steel blending accessories. You can blend smoothies or chop vegetables with ease. It includes a whisk attachment. Use it to beat eggs, whip batters, and more. It's easily removed for quick cleanup. Its interchangeable attachments make cleaning a breeze. Enjoy effortless blending and cleaning. What we like? It blends with ease and power. If you need a simple yet effective blender for everyday use, this is a solid option. The 2-speed settings and easy-to-clean design make it perfect for busy individuals. What people say? I used the long attachment inside a big smoothie container. It blended frozen fruit, protein powder, milk, and even tiny, hard flax seeds into a smooth mix in less than 30 seconds on the low setting. Nothing I've ever used has been able to do that. More powerful than the previous immersion blender I've had for a decade. I use the immersion blender a lot for sauces and soups. I also sneak vegetables and pasta sauces for my kids with this. The immersion blender is so helpful when making sauces and when canning. I love that it has interchangeable parts that help with other tasks without getting out a big mixer. Number 2. Bamix 1000 ml blending pitcher. It's made in Switzerland with quality and function in mind. Perfect for professional chefs and home cooks alike, it's a must-have addition to your kitchen. This BPA-free jug is shock and break resistant. Blend, pour, reheat, and clean it in the dishwasher. It's that easy. Use it with your immersion blender to make sauces, dressings, or purees. Then, easily store and reheat your creations. Blend and store in the same container. Its tall design minimizes splashing, and it's easy to store, reducing extra dishes. It can handle temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for various mixes and purees. Blend your smoothie in the morning and save some for later. What we like. This jug is made to last. If you're looking for a durable and versatile container for your immersion blender, look no further. Its BPA-free construction and heat resistance make it perfect for various uses, from blending to storing. What people say. The Swiss-made Bamix is so versatile and powerful. It does come with an indestructible glass, but now this pitcher allows for more room to groove. I use this to make smoothies and milkshakes with my immersion blender. It is just the right size and easily cleans. Works great with Bamix or immersion blenders. Great sturdy product. Number 1. Cuisinart CSB 79MC Measuring Cup. Is your old measuring cup cracked or missing? This genuine replacement is a perfect fit for your Cuisinart CSB 79 stick blender. It's made from BPA-free materials for safe and healthy blending. Get accurate measurements with this specially designed cup. It's essential for achieving perfect results with your Cuisinart stick blender recipes. This measuring cup is made exclusively for the Cuisinart CSB 79 model. It won't fit other models, even if they look similar. Ensure optimal performance and longevity with this authentic Cuisinart replacement part. It's built to the highest standards. It's crafted from BPA-free materials, ensuring your food is prepared safely and hygienically. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. This measuring cup is designed for a perfect fit with your Cuisinart CSB 79 stick blender. It's the ideal replacement for a seamless blending experience. What we like. It's designed for precision. If you own a Cuisinart CSB 79 stick blender and need a perfect replacement measuring cup, this is the only one you should consider. The BPA-free material ensures safe food preparation. What people say. It is durable and works perfectly for this application. It has embossed measurements on the side, which is a plus. This cup is my favorite go-to measuring cup and I use it all the time in my kitchen. I love that the measurements are super easy to read, it is tall so makes it easy to mix things, and has a pour spout. It will not tip over. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.